So children, now we are going to revise clock. We have already done it, yes? So today we are going to revise this concept once again. Let's begin.
Hi, I am clock. I say tick tock when I tell the time. I have two hands. Short hand, which is called the hour hand, and the long hand, which is called the minute hand. My two hands go round and round, from right to left, from 12. See how it is going round and round? Now that you know about me, let's learn to tell the time. So children, always remember, when you see the long hand pointing at the number 12, you have to look for the short hand. Now, can you see where the short hand is pointing at? Yes, it is pointing at number 2. So, what is the time? It is 2 o'clock. So, what is the time, children? It is 2 o'clock. Now, can you again see where the short hand is pointing at? Yes, the short hand is pointing at number 7. So, what is the time, children? Yes, it is 7 o'clock. What is the time? 7 o'clock. So, children, you saw we are telling the number which the short hand is pointing at. That is the time. So now let's learn to draw a clock. First, we will make a big circle like this. Now, first you will draw a straight line, a standing line like this. Now, you will draw a sleeping line like this. Now, can you see the red arrow at the top? Yes, we will write number 12 there. Now, can you see the second arrow? Okay, so we will write number 3 there. Now, can you see the third arrow at the bottom? We will write number 6. Now, there is another arrow pointing. We will write number 9. Now, can you see the blue lines? So, draw quickly the blue lines like this. Now, can you see I wrote number 1? So, now from 1 to 12, you will write the missing numbers like this. So, your clock will look like this. Now, you will draw a dot at the center. Then, you know the clock has 2 hands. And what are the hands? One short hand. You call it the hour hand. And the long hand. You call it the minute hand. Now that you know how to tell the time and you also know how the clock looks like. So, can you see? I have written 5 o'clock. So, you know the clock has 2 hands. Now, can you draw the 2 hands for me? Where you can tell the time? 5 o'clock. So, now, once you draw the hands, you will send me the video. Now, can you write what is the time? Yes, see properly and carefully where the short hand is pointing and where the long hand is pointing, the hour hand and the minute hand. So, you will write the time and send me the video. So, children, now that you know how to tell time, you will practice telling the time, and now you know what time ma'am will call you, so you can be ready.
Now children, take out this worksheet and let's see what we have to do here. Draw hands and show the time. Here you have to see here. What is written? 3 o'clock. Now you have to draw hands. How 3 o'clock. Small hand on 3 and big hand on 12. It's 3 o'clock. Now it's 12 o'clock and 8 o'clock. So you have to draw and show the time. Next, tell the time. Here, see, small hand is on 6 and big hand is on 12. So, what is the time? Right, it's 6 o'clock. Now, here, small hand on 9, big hand on 12. So, what is the time? Right. Now, you have to write here. Tell the time here also. See and write. Good. Next is match with the correct time. Here, time is written. At the bottom of this worksheet, you can see. And here, clocks are ready. So, you have to see the time and match with the correct time written here. Okay? So, first is small hand on 1 and big hand on 12. So, what is the time? Right, 1 o'clock. So, now I will match it with 1 o'clock. In the same way, you will see the time and match with the correct time written here. Okay? So, now do your worksheet, everyone, and complete it fast. Don't forget to send your pictures. I'm waiting.